We are going to take a look at American Lift's 6,000 pound capacity lift table. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is an American Lift's model S36-060. It has a 32-inch by 72-inch top, and it will lift 6,000 pounds. This is a hard size and capacity lift to find. This one has an 8.5-inch lowered height and a 45-inch raised height. Power is provided via a 1-horsepower Leeson 115-volt motor. The safety bellows skirting is in good but not perfect condition. There is a new seal kit installed on the main hydraulic piston.